Hey you guys, it's Mrs. Alexander, and in Soul Studies we've been talking about the causes of the American Revolutionary War. So I'm going to quick go down to material where it says ELA Soul Studies, the causes of the American Revolution. So we're working on Battle of Lexington, and if you can see right here, it's on the last two slides. Now these are important to read. Make sure you magnify them so you can read them. It's 2 pages. Make sure you read them so you understand the questions you're going to be asked. I know yesterday we watched some Ed puzzles. We've got one more today. But right now I want to help you understand the questions. Here you're going to be able to answer questions about the battles of Lexington and Concord by accurately quoting evidence from the text. And this is the text, our articles right here. So, ladies and gentlemen, using our articles in your social studies notebook, please answer following questions. Remember, if a question starts with why, most of the time the answer is inferred. This means it doesn't directly answer in the text. You have to answer based on what you've learned and context of the story. So with the Ed puzzles and stuff like this, this is what we're using. So here we go. The first question is, what is the meaning of the word Minutemen? Use the exact quote from the article in your answer. So right here, it says Minutemen right here. And this is what we're looking at. So what I'm going to write to help us out is, according to paragraph 1, because that's where we found it, Minutemen mean they were said to be ready for battle at a minute's notice. Minutemen were patriots, soldiers on our side, militias to protect the United States or the colonies, because we weren't in the United States yet. And then, why was General Thomas Gage sending troops to Lexington? So again, we have to read, and you'll see right in here in the first paragraph why. So this is what I came up with. According to paragraph 1, General Thomas Gage was sending troops to Lexington to arrest Samuel Adams and John Hancock, which is true. And then question number 3, how did the colonists know that the British soldiers were on the move? Use this sentence from paragraph 2 in your answer. So I'm going to go 1. So we're looking at this one. And we're sitting here reading, and right here it says the soldiers left Boston at night on April 18, 1775. They thought that no one had noticed that they had left. They did not realize that the colonists were watching them. So this is how I wrote it. The colonists knew that the British soldiers were on the move because in paragraph 2, the colonists were watching the British soldiers. And then what did it mean that there were 2 lamps in the church tower? Again, we have to read and try to find where it talks about the lamps. The colonists had a plan. And then here it is. So here is what I wrote. In paragraph 3, the colonists had a plan using lamps in the church tower. If there were 2 lamps, it meant that the British soldiers were moving by sea. So I answered the question. So here on number 5, what bad luck did Paul Revere have after leaving Lexington? The reason I'm going through this with you guys is you've got to learn to rephrase your question within your answer. So here we go. So Paul Revere had bad luck after leaving Lexington because, what was his bad luck? 6, who made it through to warn the colonists at Concord? According to paragraph, you got to find the number, you guys. Paul Revere had bad luck. In paragraph, I don't know the number, you guys. Some name made it through to warn the colonists at Concord about What? Why was it important that they made it through? What were they warning? Then you have 3 more questions. Hopefully these 2 helps you with understanding how to use this information. And then 7, why was the first shot fired on the Lexington Green called the shot heard around the world? Again, according to paragraph, find the paragraph. The shot heard round the world is known for this because. Why? So I'm giving you just some ideas. It's up to you how you do it, but make sure you look at all the questions. Give proof, quote. Anyways, I hope this helps. Have a great day, and remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. Bye.